Higher polluting cars are set to pay more in tax. These car tax changes launching in April will punish petrol and diesel drivers with substantial increases. Drivers are being warned that the upcoming car tax increase will add more pressure to drivers who are being urged to switch to electric vehicles. Vehicle excise duty rates are set to rise on April the 1st and fall in line with the retail price index, which changes with inflation. As a result of this, drivers are expected to now pay more on this tax, which penalises vehicles with higher emission rates. While the changes don't affect owners of electric vehicles this year, next year they will lose their exemption and be required to pull their weight and be subjected to fees. A spokesperson for Motor Match said the new VED rates tied to the retail price index highlight the importance of understanding the environmental impact of your vehicle. Drivers with cars that produce higher levels of pollution will experience more substantial increases. However, the spokesperson added that this exemption could change from April 2025 and that drivers should keep a close eye on future developments and consider transitioning to electric as early as possible. The spokesperson explained that if a driver recently purchased a brand new car or owns a vehicle that was valued at over £40,000 when they were first registered, they should prepare themselves for additional costs. The expensive car supplement will come into play, adding to their annual bill, Motor Match stated. For drivers of older cars, especially those registered before March 1st, 2001, the tax rate is based on the engine size rather than the vehicle's emissions, so understanding which engine group the vehicle sits in will be key. As rates vary based on emission levels, Motor Match advised to be proactive in checking a car's category and anticipate any judgments to yearly taxes. The government explained that by increasing VED rates to fall in line with inflation, it will ensure that levy receipts are maintained in real terms and that motorists make a fair contribution to the public finances. The increased VED was announced in the autumn statement last year by Jeremy Hunt. The measure will impact all cars, vans, motorcycles and motorcycle trade licences within the UK and comes into effect on the 1st of April. VED is a tax on vehicles used or kept on public roads, with rates varying depending on the vehicle type, its characteristics such as emissions and its date of first registration.